Hey, welcome to the Rugged Rundown. My name is Bob Johnson, and today what I'm going to tell you about is a comparison from the Toughpad FZ-M1 by Panasonic versus the all-time favorite Dell tablet 7212. Dell makes a fantastic tablet. People have asked us, what is the difference between these two units? Which one is better? And I'm going to tell you, they're both fantastic. It depends on your application as to which one you would pick. Both of them have port replicators that you set on your desk so that while you're out in the field, if you have the Dell, you'll pop the Dell, you'll be doing your work out in the field, come back in, here's your port replicator. Guess what it has? A place to charge extra batteries, as well as two USB ports, an HDMI display port, an RJ45 for your Ethernet. This particular one has two 9-pin serial ports. So you could hook an external monitor and keyboard mouse to it and have a full-fledged computer operation on your desk while you're transferring the data. And of course, there's webcam on the front, and you have a camera on the back for the Dell. FZ-M1, same thing. We've got it in a port replicator sitting on your desk, external monitor, keyboard, mouse. On this unit, basically has fewer ports than the Dell. It only has one USB port on this unit, whereas the Dell, which I forgot to mention, which we can talk about real quick, it has more ports. So you have a USB, a USB-C, head jack or headphone jack, and of course your power port. And over here you have another USB-C, and then your docking port over here. So what you do is, to increase those ports, number of ports, you put in your port replicator, now you got more ports. Same thing with it, but the M1 only has one USB port. So it's based on your application as to which one is the better choice for you. I like them both. This one you might be using because you need to be taking people's credit card in a sales situation. Well, it comes with a card swiper. The Dell will too, because it's upgradable, but you can also upgrade this thing to more USB ports, another RJ, you could have a Ethernet port. It has a dock on the back that allows you to do that. What I mean is, you would screw it on the back here, and I talk about in other videos regarding this thing, where you can upgrade with the pack on the back. But you would use this Dell more in a computing situation where maybe you're updating databases in the field or taking data entry, that sort of thing, because you have the bigger screen. That's basically the difference. Which one's better? Again, it depends on your application. Really, that's all I got for you on this comparison. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys next week.